3 self-driving buses have started trial commercial operation in southwest China's Chongqing. The buses, named Robobus, are developed by Chinese tech giant Baidu. Robobus is 5.9 meters long and has a cruising speed of about 40 kilometers per hour on a round trip of nearly 10 kilometers. Equipped with level 4 automation technology, the buses can stop by themselves, navigate complex urban road conditions, and fully meet the needs of normal bus operation. Residents can use facial recognition, IC cards or Alipay to take the bus.
目前已在重庆、广州、沧州等多个城市落地运营。重庆是率先实现商业化探索运营的城市，市民可通过当地埃森公交卡或百度智研刷卡即实现支付，无需预约即可完成上车体验。